lanamuhla lubaluleke kakhulu ngoba luhlanganisa simaka iminyaka engu-20 saqala uku-implementa lolu hlelo lwe-EPWP. Lolu hlelo lusize imiphakathi eminingi selubhenefithe abantu abacela kwi-14 million abathole amathuba emisebenzi bathola nokuqeqeshwa.
Siyisikole se-jewelry esitrain ama-EPWP participant in making jewelry and also siba-assist ngokuvula ama-small businesses and also prepare them to become ama-qualified goldsmith.
Sizolauncha uphase 5. Uphase 5 walolu hlelo uaime ekutheni sikwazi ukcreate ama-employment opportunities more than 5 million eminyakeni emihlanu ezayo. Siphinde futhi siqinisekise ukuthi bonke abangena kulolu hlelo baqeqeshwa ngendlela, bayakwazi ukulekelelwa ukuqala amabhizinisi abo noma ukuthola imisebenzi abazokwazi ukuziphilisa ngayo.
We have said that EPWP is changing lives and transforming communities, and the evidence is there for anyone to see. We have seen EPWP beneficiaries who are part of the provincial roads program hard at work, repairing our road infrastructure to make it safe for commuters.